Good morning, dear student. Today I am going to teach you a fundamental law, that is law of diminishing marginal utility. Now this is also known as Gresham's second law because this law is propounded by economist named Gresham, and it is also called fundamental law of economics. Most of the laws are depending upon this law, just like a law of demand, law of supply, totally depends upon law of diminishing marginal utility. Now diminishing means decreasing, marginal utility means marginal satisfaction. It simply means that according to this law, a consumer gets a consumer gets lesser satisfaction after consuming different units of a commodity. Now, if a, if a consumer consumes successive unit, let us take an example of Golgappas. If a consumer consumes Golgappas, first Golgappa will be more tastier than the second, and the third will be lesser than second, and the fourth will be lesser than third, and so on. So this law assumes that there are certain assumption also. The consumption process should be in the regular basis. There should be a no time gap between the consumption, and a consumer must consume successive unit of a commodity. No single unit should be consumed. Number Number third, the each and every commodity should be identical to each other. Identical here means same in size, taste, color. There should be no difference at all. So a consumer gets lesser and lesser satisfaction after the regular consumption of a commodity. This law is called law of diminishing marginal utility. This law is the formation of law of demand. That's why formation of law of demand says that if price of a commodity increases and the demand for same commodity falls, because a consumer demand less and the utility obtained from the consumption of a commodity goes on decreasing. It simply means that a consumer have to pay a consumer willing to pay lesser than the already he have paid. So law of demand and many other laws are depend upon it. So I have told there are some critics. Many economists believes that reading novel and watching movie may be the limitations for it. But if we if we watch a movie second time, third time, fourth time, definitely the utility of the watching it goes on decreasing. But in a second attempt, it may be interesting, more interesting. But in the third, second, and the fourth view, again this law also applicable. And some economist believes that this law is not applicable in reading novels. Now, reading novel, if a person reads a novel first time and the second time may the utility may increase, but the third time, fourth time, and the fifth time, if a consumer reads the same novel, the utility will be decreased. So this law is applicable in each and every aspect of our practical life. Now, tomorrow I will teach you about consumer equilibrium, and what does it mean, and how a consumer decide how many units of a commodity to be consumed, if there is a only single commodity, double commodity, the consumer equilibrium, what does it mean. Tomorrow I will teach you about this. Thank you and have a nice day.